Hey guys, Pim here. So, you have this amazing idea for a course. You want to teach people how to bake sourdough or code in Python, or maybe how to train their cat to use the toilet. But then you look at the tech involved, hosting videos, taking credit cards, handling taxes, and you just want to crawl under a rock. Today, we are doing a deep dive review of Teachable. This platform is the 800-pound gorilla of the course world. It's been around since 2013, which in internet years basically makes it a dinosaur. But is it a cool T-Rex or a dusty old fossil? We are going to find out. Also, real quick, if you do decide to test this out, do not just go to their homepage. I have a link in the description below that applies the best available discount and trial offer right now, so make sure you click that to save yourself some cash. All right, let's get into the nitty-gritty. First, let's talk context and pricing, because this is where Teachable tries to trick you a little bit. They position themselves as the easy solution. You upload video, you get paid. Simple. But you need to understand their success tax. They have a free plan, which sounds great, right? Wrong. On the free plan, they take $1 plus 10% of every single sale you make. That is robbery. If you sell a $100 course, they keep $11. Then you have the starter plan, which is roughly $39 a month. You'd think, okay, I'm paying a subscription, so no fees, right? Nope. They still charge you a 7.5% transaction fee on that plan. It isn't until you get to the builder plan, which is around $89 a month, that the transaction fees finally drop to zero. So, the math is simple. If you are just playing around, free is fine. But if you plan to sell more than $1,000 worth of courses a month, you need to be on the builder plan, or you are literally throwing money away. Again, check the link below for the current math, but that is the general rule. Now, let's discuss the ugly truth. I promised I'd be honest, so here it is. Teachable sites look like teachable sites. If you are a designer or a control freak who wants your website to look like a piece of modern art, you are going to hate this. You can change your logo, your colors, and your font, but the layout is very rigid. You are building in a box. If you want a totally custom, unique brand experience, you'd need to build your site on WordPress or Webflow, and just link to Teachable for the checkout. It's not a deal breaker for most people, but it is boring. However, let's talk about the core features, because despite the boring design, the engine under the hood is a Ferrari. Number 1, the course builder. It is incredibly robust. You have sections and lectures. You can bulk upload videos from Google Drive or Dropbox. You can add quizzes, PDFs, audio files, and text. It handles the video encoding perfectly, so your students can watch on their phones without buffering. Number 2 is something people often overlook: coaching and digital downloads. Teachable isn't just for video courses anymore. You can create a coaching product where you set up intake forms, schedule milestones, and even integrate directly with Zoom. This means you can sell a $50 video course and a $500 one-on-one coaching package from the exact same dashboard. It automates the messy admin work of coaching, sending the calendar links, getting the signed agreements, so you just show up and teach. Number 3 is the community feature. Now, is this going to replace Facebook groups or Circle? Probably not. But it is a nice light version. It allows you to have a dedicated space for students to talk to each other without leaving your school. The best part? No algorithm. When you post an update, your students actually see it, unlike on social media where you're fighting for attention. Now, for the specific nuance that I think makes Teachable a winner for serious businesses. It's a feature called BackOffice. If you plan to have affiliates, like other people selling your course for a commission, it is usually a nightmare. You have to collect their tax forms, calculate their payouts, and PayPal them one by one. I have done this. It takes hours. If you enable BackOffice on Teachable, they do all of that for you. They collect the W-9s, they pay the affiliates automatically. They even handle the 1099 tax forms at the end of the year. They charge an extra 2% fee for this, but trust me, getting your life back is worth it. And I have to mention the mobile app. This is huge for your students. Teachable has a native iOS and Android app that is actually good. Most competitor apps are trash. Your students can download your videos to watch offline, like on a plane or the subway. They can even listen to the audio in the background while their phone is locked. This increases your course completion rates significantly because you are making it easy for them to consume your content. Let's wrap this up with the pros and cons. Pros: the video hosting is unlimited and fast. The checkout process is optimized to convert. The student mobile app is excellent. Students can even watch offline. And BackOffice saves you from tax hell. Cons: the transaction fees on the lower plans are painful. The page builder is rigid and ugly. And their email marketing tool is very basic. You will definitely still need something like ConvertKit or MailChimp to send actual newsletters. So, what is the verdict? Who is this for? It is not for the total hobbyist who sells one $10 PDF a year. The fees will eat you alive. And it is not for the design snob who needs every pixel to be perfect. But for everyone else, it is the industry standard for a reason. If you're ready to start building, use that link in the description to get the best deal. Don't pay full price if you don't have to. Thanks for watching, and